All our viewers keep waiting for this.
आज हमारे पास एक सरप्राइज है जो आप खुद रश्मि से ही सुनिए।
Chaos and negotiation is a part of this whole thing.
You know, the brand comes and says, "Can we make this vegan?"
हाँ, try करता हूँ.
हाँ.
But is going to give a death stare in the camera and say कि can I just resign from life? I mean.
ये टॉपिक है ना थोड़ा हटके।
So she made her own brand.
I love money, and money is the thing. I knew this chef Ranveer Brar,
Okay.
जिनके साथ मैंने अपने लास्ट एजेंसी में 2 प्रोजेक्ट्स पे काम किया था. I think the first 7 months I must have earned I think about 8,500, 7,000.
अच्छा।
Yeah. Some industries the masala takes over the work. Procedure between closing a deal and that content going live. That's why agencies like us, people take them on board.
Some of the boring industries also make
Yeah,
something
yeah.
more
Yeah,
money than
yeah.
some of the
Of course.
very famous and glamorous industries. You are now managing MasterChef.
In our country, MasterChef India, it came in 2011. The food offering जो इंडिया में है, वो आपको दूसरी कंट्रीज नहीं दे सकते.
Correct.
हमने एक पॉडकास्ट बनाया था इंडियन फूड पे।
I
इतना
agree.
टाइम लगा कि हम कौन सी सिटीज और कंट्रीज में क्या
पता।
खाना बताएंगे,
Yeah.
कितना खाना बताएंगे,
Yeah.
कौन से खाने बताएंगे।
Genuinely, the participation is pan India. The smartness is कि आपको वो एक टीवी पे आने की अपॉर्चुनिटी
Platform
मिली. Next
मिला है।
आपने उसके साथ क्या किया?
क्या किया?
It's the universe today saying this day is not vibing.
I mean.
With what you want,
Okay.
नहीं होएगा. An important person wants to feel more important. That's why that person is saying. एक बच्चा.
You have to ignore that. So imagine एक शेफ जो आराम से एक ब्रांड के लिए कुक कर रहा है बटर चिकन इन हिज ओन वाइब्स and then suddenly the brand comes and says can we make this vegan?
I'm sure the chef will say हाँ try करता हूँ.
हाँ.
But is going to give a death stare in the camera and say कि can I just resign from life? I mean I can't do vegan chicken, butter chicken for sure.
But ये सब हैंडल कौन करता है? ये ड्रामा, ये केओस, ये लाइफ, ये लाइट्स, ये स्माइल, ये अभी करो, ऐसे करो, वैसे करो,
exactly,
ये
I
सबको
mean-
कौन हैंडल करता है? Do you know that?
I'm a little sure but not
Does
very.
anybody knows that?
Let's check.
So it's this culinary talent managers who do
Okay.
that, and they are brilliant people who are in the industry who we will see today कि ये कैसे हैंडल होता है.
Right, now we are talking about someone जो chefs को handle करते हैं, उनके brand shoots को handle करते हैं, उनके
Right.
last minute changes and everything that goes in between. She is someone who makes chefs look glamorous on the media.
And today's episode is full masala platter. ये टॉपिक है ना थोड़ा हटके. It is
बहुत
different.
हटके.
I don't think anybody's covered this before, and I don't think किसी को पता भी होता है कि इसके बारे में क्या है. So let's get to it और देखते हैं कि क्या है. You know?
So this is Top 2 where we bring you personalities you'd love to see, learn from and get inspired by. I'm Leena.
And I am Aisha, and I'm a multitasker, storyteller, part-time hustler for all kind of free food जो यहाँ पे मिलता है. मैं वहाँ पे I am always there कि food episode तो ये मेरा favorite episode होगा. Correct?
Right.
This is my
Very true.
अब
And for me,
हाँ.
I'm just someone who can just bribe people with a hot pot of biryani
अच्छा.
and get them for interviews without any guilt.
तो आज it worked because we are going to get some deal. We
Yes.
went to the biryani pot.
Yeah, it worked.
अच्छा. Today we are talking to some people behind your favorite chefs, the one who builds them. Today we are going to meet someone who just didn't enter this field, guys. She has created this space. She has made this space.
Correct.
It's not an industry that she's just fumbled into and fambled into. She has just made this whole creative space.
She's created the niche.
Yes.
Now she saw that actors had managers. She saw, content creators had managers, but chefs,
Did they have them? No.
no, nobody. So she made her own brand.
She built an entire ecosystem around them, smart, brave and iconic. So please welcome all of us together the person and the founder of Mirchi Lagi,
Miss Rashmi Rai Singhani.
Hello.
Thank you. My God, I've never been like that. I'm also listening
किसी को रियली किसकी बात हो रही है?
ये आप ही की बात हो रही है
हाँ।
एंड वी आर सो प्राउड एंड ऑनर्ड टू
Yeah.
हैव यू हियर।
Thank
आज
you.
हमें बहुत मजा आने वाला है। दिस इज समथिंग व्हिच इज सो यूनिक एंड हमें आपसे इतनी सारी बातें करनी थी बिकॉज जब हमने
Yeah.
आपको रिसर्च किया वी वर लाइक वाओ,
We were blown away
ये
that
सब क्या है
someone
और ये सब कैसे मैनेज होता है। तो आप अपना खुद का सेल्फ इंट्रो दीजिए फर्स्ट और आप अपनी कंपनी का दीजिए और उनको बताइए आप है कौन, व्हाट्स योर स्टोरी।
Yeah.
Okay, so to begin with, I'm Rashmi Raisinghani. I've done my education in psychology majors, followed by masters in advertising and marketing from University of Leeds. I started my career in public relations.
जी।
And उसके बाद में I got into talent management in the Bollywood space.
ओहो, ओके।
So that I think I did jobs for almost 8.5-9 years, which was first half was PR and then second half was talent management. And my last job was actually with this agency called Collective,
Okay.
which is one of India's leading talent agencies today.
Yeah.
एंड उसके बाद में ये था कि एक्चुअली मेरा ओरिजिनल प्लान नहीं था
अच्छा।
टू स्टार्ट विद अ टैलेंट मैनेजमेंट एजेंसी
Okay.
फॉर
Chefs.
शेफ्स फॉलोड बाय फूड क्रिएटर्स। ओरिजिनल प्लान था आई वांटेड टू कम अप विद अ टेक अवे प्लेस वेयर इन देयर बी थाई टेक अवे फूड।
ओहो,
Oh.
That was the original plan. Now it so happened कि I was going to spend all my money into that venture.
ओके।
Okay.
एंड माई फादर उन्होंने मुझे बोला कि यू नो तुम इतना अपना सारा स्पेंड
जन्म पूंजी लगा रहे हो एक जगह पे।
बट डोंट यू थिंक यू शुड हैव सम ऑन ग्राउंड एक्सपीरियंस कि ये होता
wow.
कैसे है।
That's a father's advice.
I have to really like
Yeah.
thank God because मैं अपना सारा सेविंग्स लगाने वाली थी
ओके
actually.
ओके
एंड आई न्यू द शेफ रणवीर ब्रार
Okay.
जिनके साथ मैंने अपने लास्ट एजेंसी में 2 प्रोजेक्ट्स पे काम किया था।
ओके
So I was like, let me meet him. I knew he's coming up with a restaurant
Okay.
in Lower Parel. So I
Okay.
was like, you know, maybe I get some experience and I know this side of brand side. So maybe I can do that. Like
Wow.
I'll
Yeah.
give him that kind of an offering. In bargain, I get inroads into his restaurant. And maybe on ground काम कैसे होता है I'll
सब
get-
समझ जाएगा
सब
बैकग्राउंड में
समझ
क्या
आएगा।
होता है।
I went, I met, we had a conversation. He was very warm, very welcoming.
सो स्वीट।
एंड ही मतलब ही टोल्ड मी ठीक है यू नो यू कैन स्टार्ट एंड फिर तुम मेरे रेस्टोरेंट आ जाना। लेकिन वैसा कुछ हुआ ही नहीं।
अच्छा हुआ ही नहीं।
हुआ ही नहीं।
अरे वाह।
मेरा ऐसा हो गया कि मैं जब ये इसमें घुस गई
हाँ।
मैनेजमेंट के इसमें देन दैट forget taking a back seat वो
Yeah,
हुआ ही नहीं।
ओहो।
It was automatically because I think it's also he also felt it कि मेरा actual calling and DNA is this and I also know that it comes naturally to me.
Okay.
तो इसमें मुझे ज़्यादा ये नहीं था कि you know oh my god I don't what is this. The new thing for me was कि जो मैं बॉलीवुड में कर रही थी या विथ स्पोर्ट्स पर्सनालिटीज कर रही थी यहाँ पे जॉनर लर्निंग अलग था।
हाउ कम हाउ
So
लाइक
see when you're doing Bollywood or
हाँ।
you're doing all these things, आपके conversations आप negotiations तो करते ही हो।
ओके
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 आप साथ ही साथ में जो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर होता है
हाँ।
हेयर मेकअप स्टाइलिस्ट यू नो गार्ड्स दिस पर्टिकुलर वैनिटी देयर इज
Correct.
अ लॉट ऑफ आयनिंग आउट।
एब्सोल्युटली
इट्स नॉट जस्ट दैट उसने ये ब्रांड के लिए ये डील किया है उसके
Correct.
बीच में बहुत कुछ होता है।
सही है।
अब वो चीज व्हेन यू पुट इनटू शेफ्स इज अ वेरी डिफरेंट थिंग।
ऐसा होता नहीं है।
ऐसा होता नहीं है। अब
कुछ
वहाँ
और
पे
होता
आप
है।
गार्ड्स नहीं मांगोगे आप स्पेसिफिक यू नो यू नॉट गोइंग टू
Right.
बट देयर द कन्वर्सेशंस आर ओके सो दिस शेफ इफ उनको करना है कोई बड़े हाई एंड ब्रांड के लिए कार
हाँ।
ब्रांड के लिए अगर उनको कोई 200 पैक्स के लिए डिनर क्यूरेट करना है इन अ होटल
wow.
राइट दैट्स अ डिलीवरेबल।
Correct.
तो इसमें आपके फंडामेंटल्स क्या होंगे? इसमें आपके फंडामेंटल्स होंगे बेसिकली विच इज द होटल, this is the curated menu.
Right.
We will have our team who will monitor, who will come 2 days before.
Complete different
What is the-
conversations.
very different.
Right.
Very
उनका
different.
Very
जो
different.
guest list है, इनके preferences क्या हैं, what are their also food habits क्या हैं.
Right,
So
right.
you are talking very different.
Different.
As opposed to a lot of vanity
Vanities.
और scripting conversation जो होता है. Of
Right.
course यहाँ पे भी there are brand endorsement ads. उसमें आप करते हो scripting.
Correct.
आप
Right,
ऐसे
right,
करते हो. बट जो कहते हैं ना प्रायोरिटी गिवन वो यहाँ पे काफी अलग
अलग
है
है।
एंड द फंडामेंटल्स बिकॉज व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड इट वाज 2015
ओहो
सो
लॉन्ग टाइम बैक।
10 years.
एंड दैट टाइम देयर वाज नो स्ट्रक्चर ओनली तो इनिशियली मैंने भी अपना जो बॉलीवुड स्टाइल है इधर मैं लेके गई, देन
हाँ.
आई रियलाइज कि नहीं ये नहीं
नहीं
work
चलने
करेगा
वाला.
बिकॉज रश्मि दीज गाइज दैट टाइम आई कैन से they were not so big for you to be so demanding.
Right.
See, Bollywood and sports and all these, you can always behave big because
Correct.
they are very established
Established
industries.
यहाँ पे कोई स्टार बड़े थे नहीं
थे
ज्यादा.
नहीं, तो you're like, you had to be like, you know,
उन्हीं में
mindful.
माइंडफुल में.
हाँ कि ये है.
हाँ.
And also ये भी था कि तभी the offering of chefs were very less comparatively.
Right.
और chefs slash food creators, food personalities बहुत कम थे. So you know you
Right,
were वो
right,
बहुत
right.
navigating phase honestly
Right.
था.
Right.
So I think yeah, the first 1.5 year was all about
ठंडा थोड़ा
नहीं
सा.
नहीं ठंडा तो मतलब I think the first 7 months I must have earned I think about 8,500 7,000.
अच्छा.
Yeah. तो मतलब because I was trying to get a grip to get till I get that big deal
Big
happening.
deal happening, yeah, yeah.
And I had quit my job.
हाँ.
So I was also wondering कि मैं ये
क्या कर रही
क्या
हूँ?
कर रही हूँ, you know, इसमें. But of course I knew कि any business needs time, and I come from, my parents are business people. My sister has an agency, so I know for a fact कि business takes time.
Right.
And after that there was no looking back, thankfully. But उस जो पहला था was
पहले
a lot
7-8
of-
महीने.
Yeah, was a lot of कि where this is going to go, there was no clarity कि ये कहाँ आगे जाएगा, कहाँ पहुँचोगे. But I think that's how, I think not only me, anyone who starts their own has their own.
I had that this journey of business takes time, and everybody knows
Yeah,
that. It
yeah.
takes its own sweet time.
Yeah.
जब तक till you get those first two, you know, projects or
Yeah,
clients
two
or
deals,
you know,
yeah.
yeah, deals,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
then yeah, you're comfortable. पर उस time तक you're always thinking कि क्या हो रहा है, क्या
Yeah,
हो रहा है,
yeah,
क्या हो रहा है, ये सही कर रही हूँ या
Yeah,
नहीं कर रही
yeah,
हूँ,
yeah.
क्योंकि benchmark भी तो नहीं था आपके पास.
नहीं था.
क्योंकि कोई और नहीं कर रहा था
Right.
ये.
Exactly, वो था मेरे लिए कि I have to give a lot of credit to Chef Ranveer
हाँ.
because he was my, I would say he was the person who would help me navigate.
Right.
मतलब कोई था ही
He was
नहीं
the
ना.
guiding
See,
force.
क्या होता है जैसे स्पोर्ट्स वाले या जो भी है, they will look at 3 other agencies and refer कि अच्छा ये इस तरीके से फंक्शन करते हैं, इसके ये फंडामेंटल्स और पैरामीटर्स हैं. लेकिन इसमें कोई था ही नहीं.
इसमें कोई था ही नहीं.
So I was
No
also
reference.
like, वो reference नहीं था, या I couldn't call any, like see in the other industries you can call friends कि अरे तू इसको ये मैनेज करती है, इसका ऐसा है क्या ऐसा
हाँ.
है. इसमें कुछ था
कुछ है
ही
ही
नहीं.
नहीं. कोई गपशप नहीं है, कुछ नहीं है, कोई गॉसिप नहीं
या
है,
इट इज
मसाला नहीं है.
या
Clean
मसाला
है.
मतलब कंपैरेटिवली लाइक
बॉलीवुड से तो है ही.
बहुत नीचे. मसाला लेवल तो बहुत ही नीचे है इसमें. बट आई एम लविंग इट बिकॉज फॉर द वेरी सिंपल फैक्ट दैट I think sometimes in some industries the masala takes over the work.
Correct.
True. And so and
Yeah,
energy as well.
yeah,
exactly.
It takes a
And
exhaustion.
then you lose sight. कि यार देखो
You
ये
lose the focus.
Yeah, you
side.
lose the focus. You lose, like, I think back, and I saw people also change. Like when I was
Oh,
in,
really?
Yeah, because when I was doing my jobs in the Bollywood space, if I'm going to meet people or even extended family, they'd all be very interested in meeting. कि yeah, आएगी, she'll give some gossip or she'll give some. And the minute I switched to this, the reaction of many people, अरे अभी you won't have, you know, much to. And then in my, and it, you know, I saw that difference even when I'm going to a meet up with people. Initially they used to be like, you know, she is in this agency which manages so and so kind of people. So एक introduction वो आपके लिए पहले ही दे देते थे.
सही सही.
But when I switched to this, that time there was nothing. They
Ah.
were like, क्यों किया?
क्यों किया?
So then I used to be like in my head, I was like, maybe one day you will realize क्यों किया.
And people know now क्यों किया. Your
Now,
shares,
yeah,
your variety.
But yeah, I think the gossip से better is
Real
growth.
work.
Correct.
Yeah,
Very
so
well
I
said.
think that was the motivation for me.
Okay.
You know, so
Nice.
yeah.
Did it change in COVID?
Oh, massive.
Yeah. Food content,
Yeah.
food
Food
creators और
content मतलब I see
flux
it's,
हुआ है जो आए हैं लोग
हाँ,
भर
it's,
भर के.
मतलब ऐसा था कि my co-founder, my husband, he joined the business in 2020.
Okay.
And it was
Okay.
already 5-6 years for me
हाँ.
to work in it.
हाँ.
And it had reached a point जहाँ पे हमें समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कि अभी ये next कहाँ जाएगा.
Okay.
And COVID gave that answer actually because I know
Right.
many people have suffered during COVID and I understand. But for us, the story was very different.
You're working full time.
yeah.
We
अच्छा.
were working like
Wow.
left, right, center because इतने सारे
Food
brands
creators आ गए
and
थे.
सब एक्सेप्ट कर रहे थे कि ठीक है घर के किचन में बना लो यार,
Yeah.
प्रोडक्ट यहाँ से ले लो यार, तुम ये दिखा दो वो दिखा दो.
Wow.
There were so many food creators जो इस स्पेस में आ गए जो पहले नहीं
नहीं थे.
So they got into this space because you know I have friends who were managing fashion personalities, Bollywood personalities, other sports personalities. Some of them actually had to leave their jobs because कोई कुछ
Oh,
कर ही
कुछ
नहीं रहा था.
But
And
this one was
this was
flipped.
because people were spending on food.
Of course.
Right.
Like
That was the
clothes
only
नहीं,
entertainment
cosmetics
available.
नहीं, कुछ भी luxury नहीं, but they were spending on food because that was their only luxury that time.
Absolutely.
And because of restaurants access not being there and
सब
everything.
शेफ्स बन गए थे, you know.
सब बन
सब
गए.
बन
Everyone
गए
was
थे.
making those dalgona
Yeah.
coffees
अपनी
and
इनर
Yeah.
स्ट्रेंथ आ गई थी बाहर की, किसको पता नहीं कि मैं खाना बना सकता हूँ.
Yeah,
वो भी
yeah.
क्या क्या
क्या
बना
बना
बना के
सकती
खिला रहा था अपनी फैमिली को. अपनी शूट भी कर रहा था.
Yeah, yeah.
एंड डाल भी रहा था इंस्टाग्राम.
Yeah, yeah. Because there was and ये भी था ना कि वो टाइम पे it became ये भी था that food became a source of entertainment जो पहले नहीं था.
सही है.
correct.
You know पहले it was like okay I want to cook this, मैं ये जाके रेसिपी देखूंगी, मैं YouTube पे जाऊंगी, मैं इधर जाऊंगी या उधर जाऊंगा. But then it became a source of entertainment कि
correct.
not only what you're cooking but how you're cooking, आप
हाँ.
कैसे interact करते हो कैमरा के साथ में.
करेक्ट करेक्ट.
What is your take on certain things?
आई थिंक वो सेल्फी लाइट्स भी तभी लॉन्च हुई थी. वो
हाँ.
सबके घर में आ गई थी. वो.
सबके
घर में.
सबके
Those
घर में
ring
आ-
lights.
Ring lights.
And it was 2020 only November or October when Reels came. क्योंकि
Right.
TikTok was
Yeah.
banned.
Yeah,
So then
correct.
that came into picture. तो वो जैसे ही आ गया वो एक बहुत बड़ा
Flux.
avenue of monetization. इससे उससे पहले it was YouTube videos.
करेक्ट
Right.
करेक्ट.
But उसके बाद में
रील्स.
Reels became a huge monetization opportunity. So I think ये भी हो गया था कि साथ ही साथ में our country में development was also happening simultaneously because क्या चीज़ is need of the hour they had realized.
it.
So उसके ऊपर and brands as I said उन्होंने अपने hygiene standards की this backdrop this थोड़े कम
कर दिए थे.
And एक और चीज़ उनके लिए जो हुई थी was that they realized कि how economical this can be.
Right.
Then
See,
having these youth setups.
Setups and all. ये
Exactly.
छोटे
And all.
में भी चल सकता है और दौड़
अभी
सकता है,
कोई
कर
किधर
सकता
भी
है.
बैठ के सो देन दे रियलाइज कि अच्छा हमें शूट देखने की जरूरत नहीं है, हमें स्क्रिप्ट देखने की जरूरत नहीं है, हमें एडिट पैकेजिंग कुछ भी नहीं देखना है. ये हमें करके देंगे, हम इन्हें बताएंगे कि ये इसमें
ये
ये
चाहिए.
चेंजेस कर दो
हाँ.
and we'll get what we want. So
Correct.
then
Simple.
that became a huge thing. So it's a very economical option for them.
Absolutely.
So your expand and main चीज क्या है, hypothetically अगर एक ब्रांड के पास initially अगर 50 lakhs to 1 CR का बजट है, they would have to invest in infrastructure into one or two
Right.
personalities. Now they can invest into 25 personalities
Oh,
Correct.
very nice.
in that amount.
Yeah, so true.
And now then you're like okay, and ऊपर से मुझे मीडिया स्पेंड्स के लिए पैसे भी बचेंगे
Correct.
कि उसको मैं आगे बूस्ट करूं, प्रमोट
Correct.
करूं.
Correct. Correct.
So I think that was
That was amazing.
COVID
was a
just
game
took over.
changer.
Wow.
Yeah,
amazing.
yeah, totally game changer for and not only for me, anyone in the
Food industry.
in this space, in the content space for food will say the same story. Everyone will say the same story. Yeah.
Ab, after having these mazedar answers, we are going into a segment called as meaty questions,
questions.
which is about having a lot of substance, invites reflections, not a quick answers. तो
Okay.
आपको पूछना था the 2 things that you guys manage that really nobody knows. ऐसा क्या है जो पता ही नहीं होता है कि लोगों को, क्योंकि the agencies do this. They manage in a certain way. ये भी manage करते हैं, वो भी manage करते हैं.
So one thing is pitching certain people when they have not been asked for
Okay.
by the सामने वाला party. That
Okay.
can be for any campaign
Okay.
or endorsements,
Okay,
anything.
okay.
So pitching that person, positioning that person, that is one thing. Second, which may sound very boring, but is the procedure between closing a deal and that content going live.
Oh, okay.
So उसके बीच का जो procedure है, which can be sometimes
Massive.
yeah, it can
Very
be prolonged,
tedious,
very
yeah.
detailed. I think that procedure is the reason. That's why agencies like us, people take them on board because they
Oh,
know that
okay.
if they get into this, they won't have the time for their creativity.
Correct.
So
take over the other
take
things.
over the other things and let the micromanagement happen by that agency.
Got it.
Yeah, I won't say anything path breaking because sometimes some of the most boring things are the most sustainable things.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Some of the boring industries also make
Yeah,
something
yeah.
more
Yeah,
money than
yeah.
some of the
Of course.
very
Yeah.
famous and glamorous industries.
Yeah.
Because
Definitely.
सब एक में चले गए, boring industries are making money. This is also something
Yeah.
that people should know.
Yeah.
You know, if you want to get into something,
Yeah.
just see the boring industries first.
Yeah.
Then to get into everybody getting into
Which
one
is
glamorous
absolutely true.
industry. Yeah.
Because it's, you know, it's one way it's also tough कि रोज सुबह उठ के वो
करना है. हाँ.
you know, वो
Right.
boring है, इतना वो मुश्किल है.
You have to be consistent
हाँ,
and show up.
लेकिन ये बात है कि it just makes you iron strong when you are able to do that.
True.
So
True.
definitely.
There's one more thing that we wanted to ask you. So you are now managing MasterChef.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
तो इसके बारे में कुछ बताओ. MasterChef में क्या होता है and why only MasterChef? Tell us everything about it.
So see, right now in our country, MasterChef India, it came in 2011.
Okay.
And it's one of the most sustainable and also a show which has grown.
Right.
Right.
It has seen everything.
Yes.
Pre-COVID,
Post-COVID.
post-COVID. काफी सारे फूड शोज जो थे वो
आए गए.
post-COVID निकल गए.
Correct.
वो
But
नहीं
बहुत
sustain
मजा
कर
आता है
पाए.
देखने
I,
में.
yeah, I
बहुत
love the
मजा आता
format
है.
of the show and
पूरी
yeah.
फैमिली बैठ के साथ में देखती है.
Exactly.
खाना तो बहुत
Yeah.
मजा आता है. ये घर का सबको होता है
Yeah.
पर ये क्या बना रही है, ये क्या बना रही है, ये क्या बनाने वाली है.
Yeah.
People bet. बहुत
Yeah,
मजा
yeah.
आता है.
And also, अगर आप MasterChef India, if you compare it to any other MasterChef in other countries,
Yeah.
US कर लो, आप
Okay.
Australia कर लो, although
Okay.
I love MasterChef Australia.
Australia.
Yeah.
I
It's
love
entertaining. It is
That's
entertaining.
one of
Next
the
level.
best. Yeah.
The thing is, the food offering जो इंडिया में है, वो आपको दूसरी कंट्रीज नहीं दे सकती.
Correct.
Because
Variety.
variety, the
Variety.
food changes every 50 kilometers.
Absolutely.
हर एक का तड़का, तेल, everything.
Everything.
सब
is
अलग है.
so different.
हाँ.
कि अगर आप UK में जाओगे तो you will tell okay you have fish and chips.
हाँ.
Right?
That's standard.
You will give that one thing, have fish and chips. You tell me when you have to tell someone आप इंडिया आओ क्या खाओ, आप क्या बोलोगे?
अरे
और क्या नहीं बोलोगे?
क्या नहीं बोलोगे?
हमने एक पॉडकास्ट बनाया था इंडियन फूड पे. हमको
I
इतना
agree.
टाइम लगा कि हम
हाँ.
कौन सी सिटीज और कंट्रीज लेंगे,
नहीं
क्या
कर
खाना
पाओगे.
बताएंगे,
Yeah.
कितना खाना बताएंगे,
Yeah.
कौन से खाने
Yeah.
बताएंगे.
You're
Trust
so-
me,
so
took us the
correct.
longest.
Yeah.
Yeah, क्या
Yeah,
बोलेंगे?
आप नहीं बोल सकते.
नहीं बोल
जी.
सकते. So
Everyone will have a
diverse
different thing
and
to
so
say.
much.
You know,
Yeah,
maybe some people will say a biryani
Yeah.
or something. Those are the most common
Correct.
and highly
Chole
sold
bhature.
also.
biryani.
Yeah, but then the thing is, that's what the beauty of the country. So with MasterChef, that is the offering.
Correct.
That they firstly, genuinely, the participation is pan-India.
Right.
From tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, all cities
Everywhere.
participating.
Yeah.
So it's that common person's dream, and we have seen that it's not only just the MasterChef winners who have done well. Participants have also done
Runner-ups,
a
participants.
very good job. Like they have managed to, sometimes they've done even better when it
Wow.
comes to sustaining or growing.
Wow.
Because see, the smartness is कि आपको वो एक टीवी पे आने की अपॉर्चुनिटी मिली.
Platform
नेक्स्ट
मिला है.
आपने उसके साथ क्या किया?
क्या
क्या
किया?
किया? और कुछ लोग बहुत अच्छा करते हैं.
बहुत अच्छा
Right.
करते हैं. They are doing a brilliant, like even if you've participated, you've managed to come in the top 5 or top 8 and everything. Trust me, you've done a lot.
People
Correct.
have seen you. People know
Yes,
you now.
people
and-
know you.
Yeah,
They know your
they get
journey.
wings to fly.
They know your
Absolutely.
journey, and moreover, other thing also which has happened with MasterChef is that the experimentation that they do. Like this year, there's going to be, they're participating
Okay.
in jodis.
Oh wow.
wow.
So it can be sisters, couples,
Oh.
you know, friends. They are all participating over here.
हम तो नहीं जाएंगे.
We can't.
हम दोनों नहीं जाएंगे.
We
यहाँ पे.
rejected in the
We'll be
first-
rejected in the first round. Okay.
You can watch.
You want to be the audience.
Yeah, and that's where the whole thing is.
Yeah.
And ये भी है कि we Indians are very क्या कहते हैं, इमोशनली इन्वॉल्व इन फूड.
Yes.
तो अगर आपके कम्युनिटी का, आपके साइड का खाना है, अगर कोई बना रहा है तो आप कमेंट करोगे कि नहीं इसमें
comment
ये
करोगे.
नहीं है, इसमें वो नहीं. there's a lot, हमको बहुत पंचायत है
हाँ.
कि हम उस पे कमेंट करेंगे.
Correct.
So and food is where our country is crazy.
Yeah.
So that way I think
It's going to, yeah.
it's going to start
Okay.
airing mid of Jan as of now.
Okay.
But then I think that's one show which has
Stayed.
seen all the curveballs
Yeah.
and sustained.
And who are the judges this time?
This time it's Chef Ranveer Braj, Chef
Oh.
Vikas Khanna, and Chef Kunal Kapoor.
मजा
Wow.
आने वाला
Yeah,
है.
yeah,
It's going to be total धमाल.
Yeah.
I
it
did
is.
watch the Celebrity Master
Yes.
Chef
Yes.
season 2.
Yes.
And one of the celebrities, Archana Gautam,
Yeah.
like she was, when she started, she was like learning in the learning phase.
Yeah.
But she made some very nice churros.
Oh.
And she started a cafe, Oh Churro, in 7 Bungalows.
Oh, wow.
She did so well. Yeah, she
Yeah.
has a cafe now.
Yeah.
Nice.
Food business मतलब आप समझ लो, and cafe business.
If it gets hit, it's a hit.
Yeah.
एक gamble है. वो
Yeah.
भी है ना?
Yes.
It is a gamble,
Yeah.
no doubt about it. But I think you have to be smart कि आप समझ लो कि क्या मेरे avenues है. Like she
Correct.
mentioned किसी ने cafe खोला.
Correct.
The first ever MasterChef India winner, Chef Pankaj Bhadoria.
हाँ.
Now she had such great foresight. अभी I was just in Lucknow. I spent time. She, आप समझो
Yeah,
वो 2000
Pankaj. Oh.
2011 she won. Okay. She has her, of course, she's a digital creator. She's a
Correct.
YouTuber.
She's such a
yeah.
big name now.
She's done TV shows, but उन्होंने तभी लखनऊ में कलनरी एकेडमी खोली.
Oh, क्या चली होगी?
या चल रही है.
Oh.
And it's one of the leading places. So now that's where your smartness is. कि
Right.
आपको टाइटल मिला, आपने उसके साथ क्या
क्या
किया,
Yeah.
right?
Correct.
Not only that, as I said, the other contestants who may not have won,
Correct.
they are big when it comes to being food creators, digital stars. They are in their rightful
Wow.
way.
Wow.
So as I said, opportunity मिली, उसका तुमने क्या किया is
क्या?
the core.
Guys, everybody has to listen to this because
Seriously.
people think only winners के साथ सब
Yeah,
अच्छा होता है,
but
लेकिन
that's-
ऐसा नहीं है.
That's not
There's
true.
too many opportunities
Yeah.
which opens up, the
Yeah.
avenues opens
Yeah.
up for everyone who's
Yeah.
been around the industry as well.
Definitely.
Amazing. तो अभी हम मिलते हैं, we go to a fun section, it's a game section and इस game का नाम है yes chef या no chef, ठीक है? So Rashmi and Leena, you both are going to play this game. Okay, welcome to the battlefield. Firstly, hello.
Wow.
Okay, I'm
Okay.
going to throw some scenarios and some grenades. You only answer yes chef या no chef, ठीक है?
Okay.
अच्छा.
Okay.
And you can give your reasons.
Okay.
Rashmi can give their reasons या जो भी है. A chef refuses a shoot because the coriander did not match his aura. ऐसा होता है?
नहीं.
नहीं होता है.
नहीं.
No chef.
No chef.
No chef. Oh,
No.
sorry. A chef confirmed a 9 a.m. call, but he wakes up at 12 p.m. and asks, आज शूट डे है क्या?
No
chef.
No chef. ये बॉलीवुड.
They're all professional
Yeah,
people,
yeah.
yeah.
हाँ,
Yeah.
ये वाली अच्छी
अभी तक
इंडस्ट्री है.
ये इंडस्ट्री
हाँ.
मतलब थोड़ा है, स्थिर है. I would say. I hope and pray that humility
Don't
maintains.
spoil them.
Don't
Yeah.
spoil them.
Yeah.
Okay. Brand wants the chef who wants to dance with a frying pan for a viral engagement. होता है?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes,
हो
chef.
सकता है.
ये chef.
Yes, yes.
ये हो
yes, chef.
सकता है.
हाँ, हाँ.
आप शेफ से कुछ भी करा रहे हो, ब्रांड कुछ भी करा सकता है for
Yeah.
Okay. Chef demands a separate green room for his knives. इतना possessive है अपनी सारी.
No.
No chef. No.
I don't think so. No. ऐसा तो नहीं.
नहीं.
Okay. You're losing में वो सब हाँ. She has all the answers. Obviously you don't have.
I'm
पर
letting her answer.
पर कुछ
I
battlefield like need to do. Okay. Brand wants one reel, but their script is basically a full Netflix
Oh.
episode.
Possible.
Yeah.
Yes, chef.
Yes, chef.
हाँ, मतलब वो तो हमारे ऐसे कई सारे मीम्स भी बनते हैं कि कुछ ब्रीफ एंड
कुछ और ही.
कई बार आपको जब ब्रांड बोलता है कि हाउएवर ऑथेंटिक यू वांट टू कीप इट,
हाँ. But no.
No. It's
वो
never like
don't
that.
fall for it. Don't fall for it because 8 out of those 10 times that's not the case.
कुछ और उनके दिमाग में जो है वो
उनके
चलेगा.
दिमाग में कुछ है and then they want it that way and it will keep changing on the way. So yeah.
Till the
And
time
we
it's
thought-
delivered, they will keep.
Yeah, so सिर्फ छोटी नहीं है, Netflix episode ही होता है उसका. ठीक है.
Correct.
Chef says he'll come only if someone picks him up, dresses him up, feeds him, praises him, tucks him in.
No shit.
No chef. नहीं.
Not so demanding.
Not so
नहीं,
demanding. Games are good. These are nice.
Majority मैंने no ही बोला, sorry.
No.
yeah.
What is the true of the industry?
Yeah.
Because we all need
Yeah.
to know कि chefs क्या करते हैं, कैसे होते हैं, when you want to handle
हाँ.
them. आपकी life कैसी है उनके साथ?
अच्छा.
Okay. All right. Now.
There's another follow-up game to this. Again, a very fun game. it says like it'll be you versus Aisha.
अच्छा,
है।
मैं बैठ खेलने वाली
And
हूँ.
yeah,
Every time we are doing verses only.
हाँ.
Yeah.
I like verses.
चलो चलो.
so it's like what the universe said. So I'll give you some scenarios and
आप
you
लोग
have to
से कि यूनिवर्स ने क्या
क्या
बोला इस
बोला?
बारे में. यूनिवर्स क्या चाहती है? क्या होगा
हाँ ये
कर्मा?
situation में why did the situation come up, like the universe will, you answer that universe wanted this so this happened.
ठीक है, चलो I'm ready.
Now the brief is let's keep it simple but the day really gets chaotic.
Yeah. Means the universe today is saying this day is not vibing.
With
What you want नहीं होएगा.
simple is a
Simple is
trigger word for universe.
Yeah. It is. Chaos का मतलब basically
Okay,
that's
it's the opposite of what
the opposite. Yeah.
the universe
Yeah.
wants.
It's fooling you.
It's fooling you.
Okay. The first thing you shoot today always needs a reshooting.
Universe is saying productivity cancel. Reshooting.
Universe is basically saying that work a little more harder.
Harder.
Like don't
Don't
have it
have-
so easy. Okay. Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
The next one, you finish everything and someone says let's do it again.
Universe is saying just cancel that person from your life. Because that person doesn't like when things are going in order for
Cancel.
a change.
Eject.
Just cancel
that
from
person
your
out.
Person eject.
Out.
Yes.
Okay, out.
Everyone's on time and the most important person is missing.
In universe have dark humor.
Yeah, it does. An important person wants to feel more important. That's why that person is saying. That's why.
Universe played a dark joke
Yeah,
on us.
it did.
Okay. It cool. Okay. Now हमारा थर्ड गेम जो है, हम रश्मि के साथ एक गेम खेलने वाले हैं.
Yeah.
It's very interesting because रश्मि को सारे ब्रांड्स पता है, फूड ब्रांड्स पता है, शेफ्स पता है. तो हम आपको आज टेस्ट करते हैं कि आपको कितना पता है और आप कैसे बताओगे कि क्या है. ठीक है. तो हमारे पास भुजिया है, 3 टाइप्स की भुजिया हैं. आप हमको टेस्ट करके बताओ इसमें से हल्दीराम की भुजिया
कौन
कौन
सी
सी है.
है?
Okay.
ठीक है.
Done.
Done.
ठीक
चलिए.
है.
Let's start.
So we'll start with this.
हाँ.
Okay.
Okay.
वो तो नहीं है.
I think it will be easy for you.
Wait, not easy. See, they look so similar. एक minute, huh? I have a feeling this one.
No, this one.
This one?
Yeah.
No, I'm sorry. That was
Oh,
Haldiram's. That is Haldiram's, the
Really?
OG.
the OG, the OG, the OG Haldiram is this.
So sorry, this is embarrassing, but I don't have bhujia. So,
Oh, okay.
you know, so just excuse me for that.
Okay, now the second is wafers, or we call it chips.
हाँ.
तो इसमें हमको बताओ कि लेज के चिप्स कौन से हैं. सब टेस्ट करके बताओ. One at a time. This.
देखो ये तो नहीं है
कैसे पता?
क्यों?
क्योंकि ये जो मार्किंग है वो ये लेज में ये मार्किंग होती है.
Wafer styles में भी ऐसी आती है.
हाँ I know, लेकिन फिर भी लेज ऐसा नहीं मिलता है यार.
Really?
See, you are an expert.
ये तो नहीं है.
नहीं.
ठीक है.
ये क्या कैसे लग रही है वो?
ये अंकल चिप्स टाइप होता है ना.
Okay.
ये वैसा लग रहा है मुझे.
मुझे क्या लग रहा है पता है, हैप्पी बर्थडे में मिलती है ना केक के साथ,
हाँ,
समोसे
वैसे
के
type
साथ
की।
वेफर्स.
This will be easy.
बिकॉज लेज में हमेशा सॉल्ट ज्यादा होता है.
Really?
She's right.
She's right.
ये वाला.
One. Guys, ये she's winning it now. ये real
I
brand
hope.
है. Okay. Okay. Now.
You have to
Now.
guess Amul chocolate, dark chocolate, out of these 3.
You have to ignore that.
Sorry.
ये नहीं है.
ये नहीं है?
ये वापस रख.
हाँ, of
रख
course,
लो।
of course. ये अमूल वाली फीलिंग आ रही है? नहीं आ रही? अमूल की फ्लेवरिंग क्या आती है? कैसे लगता है? I
तो
still
मिल्क हैवी होता है. स्वीटनेस ज्यादा होती है. इवन इफ इट्स डार्क चॉकलेट.
Correct.
बट आई लव अमूल चॉकलेट. मुझे भी नहीं पता इसमें.
I think she'll guess this too.
अरे यही था.
More
Yes.
sweet. Little more milky. Yeah.
यही है.
Correct.
This one.
करेक्ट. यही है. अब हम देखेंगे कि हम ड्रिंक्स पे जाते हैं, ओके? थोड़ा संभाल के पकड़ना बिकॉज आई थिंक इज स्लिपरी। तो इसमें से अमूल मिल्क कौन सा है?
ये ड्रिंक कौन सी है?
ये चॉकलेट,
It's a choco coffee, choco milk drink.
I think no, I can be wrong.
आई लव चॉकलेट मिल्क।
Yeah.
Even I love chocolate.
या आई लव चॉकलेट।
I'm not a
नहीं,
fan.
नहीं नहीं
this is not थोड़ा ये टेस्ट ही नहीं समझ आ रहा है मुझे इसका तो।
Oh God, she is a pro. That's correct. again.
Guys, we have lost hands down. जो हमने चैलेंज दिया था, you have won hands down. So give us a big 5. Amazing. This was amazing.
Very good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now you know.
Now.
ये यहाँ पे क्यों है इस शो पे? Okay. Now we are coming to a segment called as Top 2 Academy.
Okay.
तो टॉप 2 एकेडमी एक ऐसा सेक्शन है जहाँ पे हम कम्युनिटी को वापस देना चाहते हैं व्हाट दे कैन लर्न फ्रॉम दिस प्लेस। सो कोई भी ये अगर हमारा एपिसोड देख रहा है तो उनको पता होना चाहिए कि इफ दे वांट टू कम इन द culinary टैलेंट मैनेजर सेक्शन और एजेंसी सेक्शन, तो उसमें क्या, व्हाट आर डूज, व्हाट आर द डोंट्स, व्हाट आर योर मूव्स, हाउ टू बिकम रश्मि, हम क्या पे क्या सीखते हैं और क्या नहीं। तो उसके रिलेटेड वी हैव सम क्वेश्चंस दैट वी विल आस्क। सो व्हाट व्हेन यू want to help a chef become a public personality, what's the first thing that you look out for them? आप onboard कैसे करते हो?
Screen presence.
Okay.
Okay.
Very critical.
Okay.
And the comfort with the camera.
Okay.
So that I think is, one would think recipes,
Ah.
but no.
No.
Okay.
No. See the
No,
thing
the
is,
skill is different.
the skill is very different.
Correct.
And main चीज़ ये है, thanks to a lot of amazing YouTubers in the country, एक रेसिपी बैंक बहुत strong already है YouTube पे.
Right, right,
Okay?
right, right.
So if you want, you will get the universe over there.
Correct.
The main thing is that screen presence, that that love for that comfort with the camera. That the minute it is there,
हाँ.
as an audience, you will sense it.
Correct. And then you want to watch it.
Then you want to watch it.
Yeah.
You कितना भी आप fancy कुछ भी कर लो, but
हाँ.
the audience is, like you all also mentioned, they are very intelligent, they are very smart.
Correct.
They can whiff authenticity and they can whiff fakeness. So
Right.
I think that's one thing that I would definitely say. Love the camera.
Okay.
Screen presence is will
Very.
take you places.
Yeah.
For sure.
I remember
Yeah.
this Amir Khan का joke
Very
इस पे, when in दिल चाहता है, she's like,
Okay.
मेरा first word मम्मी और पापा नहीं था, it was camera. So she's saying
Okay.
that प्रीति
Yeah.
जिंटा को बोल रहा होता है.
So now you work with so many chefs. Tell us, how do you keep them, like they work with brands and do endorsements. How do you keep them real? Like their real personality should also show up, and they should not just get involved with the whole
Okay.
branding or whatever. Like how do you
So
keep
see,
them
the
real?
thing is, to keep it real is, if अगर आप किसी को manage कर रहे हो, and this is for all talents, I'm not saying only for food. I'm
Okay.
saying this for any genre.
Okay.
हर personality slash talent celebrity के कुछ foundation things होते हैं. The language they are comfortable in.
Correct.
What kind of clothing they are comfortable in, what kind of environment they like to shoot in. There are certain basics, and understand those basics and don't expect them to compromise on that.
Right.
हाँ, ब्रांड ये बोल सकता है कि आप ये 4 USP बोल दो,
Right.
ये बोल सकता है कि आप ये कलर का कपड़ा पहन लो, आपको ये बोल सकता है बैकग्राउंड में मुझे ये नहीं चाहिए, ये ऊपर ऊपर का स्टफ इज फाइन,
Right.
बट डोंट शेक देयर बेसिक्स,
Correct.
बिकॉज द मिनट यू विल टेल समवन, सपोजिटली किसी का
हाँ.
बात करने का बेसिस, तो आज हम आज मेरा बहुत मन कर रहा था कि मैं इसको ऐसे बनाऊं.
अच्छा.
अगर आप उसको बोलोगे नहीं अग्रेसिवली बोलो, नहीं आज मेरा बहुत मन कर रहा था कि आप ऐसे बनाओ, यू आर आस्किंग द पर्सन टू बी नेचुरल.
Yeah.
Correct.
वो सस्टेनेबल है ही नहीं वो मेथड.
वो होगा ही नहीं, थोड़ी देर बाद वो फेड हो जाएगा.
Exactly my point, because you can't, to put up an act is a very temporary process.
Correct.
So that is the main thing. Listen to their basics.
क्योंकि वो एक्टर्स नहीं हैं.
हाँ, they are not
Correct. They are
correct.
not
They are not
actors.
actors at the end of the day. Once you listen to their basics and create somewhere, bridge the gap between the brand expectation and the talent expectation, then you are in for a win.
Wow.
वो हो जाएगा.
It's a brilliant answer.
Yeah,
but
it's a really nice
keep
answer.
them,
Keep it authentic.
To keep them real is to keep them comfortable, not
Yeah.
make them
Do
feel
things.
unnatural of what
Yeah.
they do. Yeah.
So what's something that people never understand about managing chefs that something only you see behind the scenes?
So the most, pardon my language, but I think illogical question people ask is जो खाना बनाते हैं सब लोग आप ही खाते हैं. हम नहीं खाते हैं. You know. So
फ्री में खाना बट रहा है.
हाँ, वो बहुत ऊपर से
नहीं,
है.
but क्या होता है but then खाने का?
नहीं, that is, see, at the end of the day, that is shoot food.
अच्छा.
I'll be honest with you, उसके hygiene standards low होते हैं.
Oh.
अच्छा ओ
Please don't
खाओ
keep
मत
your-
उसको.
हाँ, तो आप मत खाओ उसको, आप उसको देखो, is what my strong advice would be.
और खुश हो जाओ.
Yeah, खुश हो जाओ उसको. And the main thing that is there is, of course, food is something which जिसकी जो speed of change is very fast. You know, like today a lipstick color will trend for 6 months, hypothetically.
Correct.
Food में वैसा नहीं होता है. Because seasons change.
हाँ, weather
You know,
change.
weather changes happen.
Very true.
Season fruits are changing.
Seasonal fruits come into play. There are some food trends
True.
that come into picture.
True.
So the movement is very fast. So when you're managing, be it that personality, be it you have to be very fast at adapting to that change.
You have to be up to it.
Up to it. ऊपर से ये भी चीज़ है ना कि ये कोई एकदम हाई इन्वेस्टमेंट वाला प्रोडक्ट नहीं है.
Correct.
लग्जरी कार
Exactly.
हाँ, खाना ही है.
आज आप गोभी को ग्लैमराइज कर दो, कल आप मटन को ग्लैमराइज कर लो.
सही
You
है.
see
Right.
that keeps changing. Yeah.
Interesting.
Very interesting. So when brands approach you, how do you instantly say yes, or what makes you walk away? Like,
Money.
Wow, that was so candid.
yeah, and very
I love
true.
money. And money is the thing. मतलब एक बात सीधा आपको नियत जो है ना, मैं 4 beautiful lines बोल दूँ उससे नियत नहीं समझेगी.
सही है.
You put the money on the table, आपकी नियत समझ में आ जाएगी.
And seriousness भी.
Yes, of course, because that means you're investing.
Correct.
Correct.
Answer
Correct.
is the thing, na.
Correct.
So that is very critical. Walk away
That's good.
when there's lack of money. जब कोई मेरे से सिर्फ and I have experience, like I have had brands जिन्होंने मेरा एक साल मुझसे पिच लिया है
Oh.
या 8 महीने.
Okay.
अभी रश्मि इसका ऐसा परम्यूटेशन कॉम्बिनेशन दे दो, अब इसके कॉस्ट्स ऐसे, अच्छा अगर हम ये करें, अच्छा हमारे दिमाग में ये आ रहा है. एंड मैंने 8-9 मंथ्स किसी को एंगेज करके अपना इन्वेस्ट करके एनर्जी, उसके ऑड आवर्स पे कॉल उठाए, सब किया है. एंड जब मैं उसको बोल रही हूँ ओके नाउ ऑन द मेल इट्स क्लोज, नाउ कैन वी रिलीज द एडवांसेस, एंड जब वो टरकाता है तो आई हैव एक्चुअली डन, I am not too proud of it, but I will tell you guys that if someone takes the liberty of wasting so much of your time,
Correct.
you have the right to tell that person what you did is wrong.
Absolutely.
course,
No,
you should.
of course,
Yeah.
of course, you
And I
should.
have done that. Like someone who's really जो मेरे मस्तक पे आ गया है कि आप भाई तूने अब तूने बहुत गलत किया है, ये तेरा बनता नहीं था करना.
Right.
सही में.
Exactly.
तो अब भाई तू मेरे से 2 बार तो तू सुन ले, एंड मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, तो अगली बार नहीं आएगा. यू आर नॉट वर्थ इट. यू गॉट माई टाइम, यू वर लकी, आई वॉज अनलकी.
Correct.
So,
Correct,
yeah,
correct.
That's my walk away.
But I also agree with her because we were talking about it
Yeah.
the other day
Yeah.
that anybody, we all work.
Yeah,
we are all
exactly.
giving our 100%.
Yeah.
कोई भी काम हो, छोटा से बड़ा जो भी काम हो,
Yeah.
हम हमारा पूरा 100% उसको दे रहे हैं. तो अगर सामने वाला हमको नहीं दे रहा है,
Yeah.
तो इट इज नॉट फेयर. तो हम
Yeah.
उसको अगर हम हार्ड वर्किंग बंदे हैं तो हमारा
Yeah.
हक बनता है सामने वाले को बोलने का, अरे मैं कर रही हूँ, तू भी तो थोड़ा कर.
हाँ.
नहीं कर रहा है तो
Of
क्यों नहीं
course.
कर रहा है?
And अगर तुम
You have to tell them, you have to voice it out.
I'm not saying that
Yeah.
oh I'll open my mouth once you put money. I'm not an
Right.
ATM machine.
हाँ.
But I am saying I will encourage the conversations. I will tell you things. But after when it reaches a certain stage, then let's get serious about
Correct.
it. You know,
Mm-hmm.
just don't keep talking and talking and talking. Like what is that?
Correct.
Yeah.
Correct. So this is a connected question. How do you maintain the originality of the chef while still they have a long-term paid partnerships जो होती हैं, but they
हाँ.
still be same. हम उनको always they are sticking to you or they are sticking to the brand. कैसे आप maintain करते हो?
See, basically, I think what makes a lot of sense, जो अभी काफी brands कर रहे हैं, thankfully,
Okay.
is that they are joining you in your journey.
Okay.
तो अगर कोई शेफ है जो मॉम बन गई है,
हाँ हाँ.
तो they'll join you in your journey.
Right.
They'll tell you कि आप अपने conversations इस direction में रखो. अगर कोई शादी कर रहे हैं तो बोलेंगे आप, if I was skin brand, because also
Correct.
one more thing is food brands में right now 40% are non-food brands for food creators and personalities. They are promoting
other
bags,
brands.
they are
Acha.
promoting cars,
Really?
they are promoting everything under the sun. They are promoting skincare, footwear, fashion. So they are not just restricted because, like I said before, now they are entertainers.
No
They're
more
not just recipe providers. अब वो नहीं है वो लोग.
Correct.
So then they join you in your journey. अगर कोई है जो
Which is
on the
smart.
way, yeah,
Which
which
is
is smart.
smart. Yeah,
And
it's
at
a
the
smart
end of the day,
move. Yeah.
see, it's like somebody is taking the fitness route in their journey.
Right.
They have decided to now, and this has happened. In fact, this year we've got some of our creators who've done brilliant with their fitness journey. They are looking hot. They are looking fit,
Yeah.
and the
We have some
brands
very
are
good
like
looking chefs.
that.
Wow.
Same brand is saying कि चलो let me become your meal prep partner.
Oh,
Let me become your protein partner. Let me become
Yes.
this.
This is great.
So that's the way to go about it. As opposed to, keeping them just in that old version of themselves. It's viable because एक तो बात ये है कि with Instagram and with YouTube and all these places, if they speak something else than what they regularly do, anyway आप radar में आ जाओगे. So it just makes sense कि as a brand you follow their journey along.
That's nice. तो
Yeah.
वो लोग relevant भी रहते हैं.
Relevant
They are
भी
interested
रहते हैं.
also, and you're getting them for long
You're
term
getting
also.
them for long term. You've been
Right.
a part of their growth
And
strategy.
they are happy as well. They're not bored of that.
Precisely my point. And again, Indians love to know about everyone.
Everyone. Drama.
They don't
पंचायत.
want कि आज मैंने ये न्यूटेला जार है, देखो कितना सिल्की है इसका टेक्सचर. They want to see तुम अपना बच्चा दिखाओ, तुम अपना पति दिखाओ, तुम्हारा घर कैसा दिखता है.
Very true.
We are very much into all these things.
तो मजा आता है मसाला
मजा
वाला
आता है मसाला.
Share करना आता है.
Create your boundaries. I'm not saying go completely out
हाँ.
there. Create your boundaries, but again authentic.
Yeah, it's
Be authentic.
authentic.
Yeah, it is.
When was the moment you realized that chefs needed a dedicated agency to manage them?
My last job.
Hmm.
So वहाँ पे था, we had all genres. It was, and today तो it is even bigger. It's
Yeah.
Correct.
Touchwood, I got to work in an agency like that. Like it's now 20x bigger than what it was when I left.
Wow.
तो तभी sports personalities, musicians, dance personalities, Bollywood तो था ही, सब था वहाँ
सब था.
And for two of the chefs, that was Chef Sanjeev and Chef Vikas, there were certain deals that were happening. I can't disclose the numbers,
Of
but
course.
nor will I disclose the brands, but I'm disclosing the names so that still people are interested. Is that when I heard the valuations that they were getting, this was the year 2014. I was quite surprised because I was like, यार ये तो मतलब ये B league actors को ये मिल जाएगा,
Oof,
B level
wow.
actors को ये पैसा मिल जाएगा, या they'll get some character actors will also get this kind of money, certain sports personalities. So इतना समझ में आ गया था कि the major brands अगर कोई iconic है space में तो
they
they'll
will,
take out the
yeah,
money.
money.
But again कैसा था कि iconic लोग थे गिनती के
दो चार.
चार भी नहीं थे,
दो ही
actually.
थे.
दो ही थे,
हाँ.
तभी
दो ही थे,
जिसके
हाँ.
मैं अपने एजेंसी में जो नाम सुन रही थी
Correct,
वो
correct.
दो ही थे.
दो ही थे.
I was very interested and I'm like यानी इसमें पैसा है, they'll spend. If you have more offering in this space, why not? They will spend. And food को it's a thing of your regular everyday consumption. इसको आप undermine नहीं कर
कभी
सकते
नहीं.
हो. So that was my moment wherein it triggered कि यार what if I also have someone wherein this kind of money can be negotiated for.
Right.
With
That
the
was
brands.
with the brands. So I saw that
Smart.
appetite that time and I felt कि अगर ये appetite आज है तो आगे ये और
बढ़ेगी.
हो सकता है. Because by then MasterChef को आके भी 3-4 साल ही हुए थे. We were getting
Right.
into the thing. We were not settled at all.
Right.
Not at all. Yeah.
Wow.
So that was the moment.
Moment. you
Yeah.
guys.
Where do you see this food content going in the next 5 years? क्या है आपकी दूरदर्शन?
See, I see it getting into the fiction space.
Okay.
Oh,
So it's been non-fiction for a really long
Right.
time.
okay.
But I see that a lot of storytelling, a lot of micro drama series,
Okay.
a lot of things can happen as far as food is concerned. In fact, there are certain, like even in Hollywood, if you will see, there are certain movies like The Chef or The 100-Foot
Wow.
Journey.
Okay.
The main character there is food.
Hmm.
The only sad part is they are far and few so far. But then now with time, I totally and strongly believe that it's going to emerge in a stronger way,
Okay.
especially with microdrama series being promoted in a huge way.
Okay.
So in that case, I see that there is potential as far as that is concerned. Other thing that I really see is the conversation on health. So
Right.
what has happened is in the past 4-5 years, health has been a conversation. Now it has reached a stage of conversion.
Correct.
So पहले लोग बात कर रहे हैं
बातें
कि
ही
health
करते
ये
थे।
होना चाहिए. They may have changed 1-2 habits, but now
लेकिन आजकल everyone is into
Everyone become
fitness
a health
and
conscious.
पूरा
rice
दिख
brand
रहा
is
है.
telling you a quintessential rice brand in the market is like there's. I recently saw a campaign run by this rice brand called Dawat.
Right.
Wherein they actually उनकी पैकेजिंग सेम है, ऐसा नहीं उन्होंने कोई नया प्रोडक्ट निकाला है. एंड दे आर सेइंग they've done it with a creator who's like मैंने 7 दिन चैलेंज लिया राइस खाने का और मुझे कोई ब्लोटिंग नहीं हुई, मुझे कोई कुछ नहीं हुआ.
Wow.
So now even a health food brands तो हैं
है.
लेकिन
But
नॉर्मल ब्रांड्स
आपको
भी कर रहे
normal
हैं.
brands भी बोल रहे
Trying
हैं
to
कि
be healthier.
consume me like this and it will contribute to your health journey.
Wow.
So that is something, and of course it's a given, right? What you put in your system is the most critical factor for your health maintenance.
Correct.
Absolutely.
So I see that conversion happening. Like I said, no, I'm seeing people getting into fitness, food, and then automatically those brands recognize you. They are just getting attracted towards you. You are just doing your thing, and they are coming
to you.
So yeah,
Wow,
that
that's
is
nice.
Amazing.
एक क्वेश्चन है आपसे पूछना था मिस सुष्मी. तो ये आपकी ऑनबोर्डिंग प्रोसेस कैसी है?
One thing is
One-
screen presence is definitely
Yeah.
a part of it.
Yeah.
And also we try and see आप कौन से मार्केट से हो. अगर जैसे cluttered markets, I would say for food creators जो आए हैं after 2020,
Okay.
that is Mumbai, Delhi, Bangalore.
ओह.
The most cluttered markets ये हैं. तो
पर गाँवों से छोटे शहरों से भी तो हैं.
बहुत हैं.
Hmm.
And those are the people you should go for. The
Ah.
now the
Correct.
money is actually diverting towards tier 2, tier 3.
Correct.
So don't be obsessed with metros. And I'll tell you one beautiful thing that I feel is that somebody sitting in Mumbai, okay, and somebody sitting maybe in Kochi,
Right.
if they have similar following, strong reach and all, they can earn the same amount.
Exactly.
Like ऐसा होता है ना जॉब्स का जनरली आपको लगता है आप मुंबई जाओगे तो आपका
बेटर जॉब्स
CTC थोड़ा इधर हायर होगा, दिल्ली में ये होगा
Right,
and all that. Food is not like that.
कंटेंट क्रिएशन कहीं पर भी
Content
बैठ के करो
creation
आप.
आप
Same,
कहीं से भी
everywhere.
करो, आपको पैसा उतना या उससे ज्यादा मिलेगा.
मिल ही रहा है क्योंकि हमने देखा है कितने
Right.
रिमोट प्लेसेस पे
से-
जो उनकी
Yeah.
उनकी फैन फॉलोइंग्स है,
Yeah.
उनकी सब्सक्रिप्शन
Correct.
है,
Yeah,
जो
yeah.
छोटे शहरों में मच्छी बना रहे हैं, आलू
Yeah.
बोंडा बना रहे हैं, वड़ा पाव बना रहे हैं, वो उनकी
Yeah,
मिलियंस
they have millions
है.
course
of
it is.
views
गाँव
and
में बना रहे हैं.
followers.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
It's great. और क्योंकि उनके खुद के
Commendable.
ऑथेंटिक फॉलोअर्स हैं ना.
Of course.
उनकी खुद की रीजनल फॉलोअर्स भी
एंड
हैं.
द मेन थिंग इज अब ऐसा हो रहा है कि नॉर्थ ऑफ इंडिया चाहता है कि आटा मतलब जो जिससे हम रोटी और ये सब वो प्रमोट हो साउथ में.
अच्छा.
Yeah,
It
because
is
there are rice eaters in South.
राइस
Yeah.
ईटर्स इन साउथ
और यहाँ के
Right.
एंड साउथ वाले भी अपने प्रोडक्ट्स चाहते हैं कि नॉर्थ वाले कंज्यूम करें. You know,
Right.
they are also doing that.
लाइक
Like
चेंज करने हमारी खाने
they
की
are
स्टाइल.
changing. Like there is this brand called Theli Uncle Bakery.
Okay.
Never heard. This is the first time in so many years we worked on one food category, which is rum cake for
Oh.
Christmas.
Hmm.
I've never seen a brand promote their rum cake, but this is one bakery. Just
Interesting.
they have other snack
Products.
items also, but they have this product for 1.5 month.
Correct.
And we did a multi-creator campaign with them. They were a sellout on Amazon every 2 days.
Wow.
So they kept saying, ki, hold on to going live, let us
Get
restock,
the stock.
and then again you promote. Now that is so interesting. A bakery down south, just one, and trust me, that product was actually lived up to the promise. Actually, the way the process that they make it, I was blown. I was like, I never thought कि
Okay.
एक उस टाइम के लिए स्टिपुलेटेड टाइम के लिए एक रम केक आके बोलेगा लेट्स गो ऑल गन्स ब्लेजिंग.
Amazing.
But they've done that. So
Wow.
Amazing.
This is great. This is good.
yeah.
हम कुछ लॉन्च करते हैं कुछ बना के रश्मि के साथ.
Yes.
एक
मजा
बार
आएगा.
Yes.
कुछ अच्छा बढ़िया जो हम सबको खाने में बड़ा मजा
Yeah,
आया.
yeah.
And
You
Rashmi,
should.
Yeah.
Rashmi will be like, I'm not going to meet you guys again.
हम अच्छा बनाएंगे, रश्मि को पहले टेस्ट कराएंगे.
Of course,
He's like,
मैं करूंगी.
ये अच्छा है तो हम करेंगे.
हाँ.
वुमेन सेगमेंट हमारे लिए इस पॉडकास्ट में वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है क्योंकि हमने इस इंडस्ट्रीज़ में 10 वुमेन जो आपके जैसे हैं उनको इनवाइट किया है एंड वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट देम, सेलिब्रेट देम एंड सी कि हमने आपसे क्या सीखा. नाउ वुमेन की जो बातें जब आती हैं, देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ क्वेश्चंस. आई एम गोना टेल यू सर्टन, आस्क यू अ स्पेसिफिक वन और आप हमको बताओ. दिस इंडस्ट्री, फूड, कंटेंट, ब्रांडिंग इज ग्रोइंग बिकॉज वुमेन लाइक योरसेल्फ बिल्ड structures where none existed before. So women who created space, hold the door and open the doors for others. So how to handle that chaos, you know, the negotiated hard but also stay so soft.
Okay. Chaos and negotiation is a part of this whole game.
Okay.
वो आप एक्सेप्ट कर लो
ठीक है.
कि आपको, बिकॉज द स्टेक्स आर ऑल्सो, let me put it, if it's a commercially viable industry, so chaos is going to be a part of it, negotiation is going to be a part of it.
Okay.
The coming to the third thing that you said, that still keep your soft side. Now I'll be honest, I'm not a soft woman,
Okay.
not at
You're
all.
harsh.
I can be harsh, I can be
Strong?
I think strong, or I think what happens, I'll speak for myself, I'll not speak for all women. I'm a person who very quickly understands कि ये होने वाला है, ये नहीं होने वाला है. So I tell them कि but this won't be possible.
अच्छा.
Now the challenge I face is they feel I'm speaking emotionally, but that is not the case.
You're pragmatic.
I'm pragmatic. I have made my calculation in my head. मुझे पता है यहाँ पे ये issue होगा. This is not going to work. इसका हम ये कर सकते हैं. That industry को लेने में बहुत problem होती है.
Okay.
Because it's a female saying.
Correct.
I believe so. When a guy is saying something,
अलग है?
there's a slight difference. There's a certain higher level of authority. But when a female is saying, they always feel like नजर a little more हो जाएगा. थोड़ा ये कर लो हो जाएगा. अरे वो उसको करना है तो कर ही लेगी यार.
कैसे भी कर लेगी.
कैसे भी कर ही लेगी. लेकिन अगर बोल रहे हैं, so many a times I tell the सामने वाला party, I'm like, I know you are understanding that I'm telling you कि this is not possible so clearly so soon, so maybe it's not acceptable, but trust me, I'm coming from this space. तो मुझे समझाना पड़ता है कि मैं देखो यहाँ से आ रही हूँ, basis which मैं ये कह रही हूँ. So somewhere for women they feel that soft side जो आप कह रहे थे, they feel कि अगर वो कोई चीज़ के लिए मना कर रहे हैं या कुछ कह रहे हैं तो पूरा समझा के अच्छी तरह से बोलो. Don't just say it.
Just
as
don't come to
is.
the conclusion.
And I am a very
Direct
as
person.
is
Direct
direct person.
person.
So which sometimes doesn't go in my favor, very honestly.
Okay.
It doesn't. But at the same time, I'm not a people pleaser. तो ऐसे तो मैं तो पागल हो जाऊंगी ना. तुमको खुश करते करते मैं तो दुखी हो जाऊंगी. तो मेरे को पहले अपने आप को खुश रखना है.
तो आप ये ये इंडस्ट्री में सारे वुमेन को क्या, व्हाट डू यू वांट टू गिव अ मैसेज, कैसे ये हैंडल करें?
पहली बात तो डोंट कीप अ जेंडर इन योर माइंड.
राइट.
यू आर अ प्रोफेशनल.
Correct.
तो आप जो भी कर रहे हो, जो भी कह रहे हो, गो विद दैट कॉन्फिडेंस.
एब्सोल्युटली. वेल
बिकॉज
सेड.
सामने वाला या तो ये बोलेगा कि तुम वुमन कार्ड प्ले कर रहे हो.
हाँ.
Right.
अच्छा. उल्टा.
या तो तुमको बोला जाएगा कि okay, you know,
Just because you're a woman.
you're trying to be a rebel. No man, I'm just trying to do my work.
Yes.
Bas, don't you are thinking of me as some gender. I'm not talking to you like looking at your gender. I'm talking to you. You're
Correct.
a man, you're a woman, I'll give you the same answer.
Correct.
So please take it from me also, na.
राइट.
So that's all I will say कि
Correct.
ये जो चीज़ है इसको इतना सोचो नहीं.
Either you are a rebel or either you are soft. तो
Yeah.
ऐसा नहीं है. I'm
Yeah.
just doing my job.
I'm
I'm
just doing
professional.
my job.
And
I
even if
don't
it's a
put
man
a
who's doing
title
it,
to me.
correct.
You
Even if
know?
it's a man was doing it, he would do the same thing, say the same thing.
Precisely. So I'm like, just take it like the way it is. I feel. Yeah.
That's brilliant. Very well
Not have gender in between.
No,
Absolutely.
don't keep it in your mind.
said. Super.
Yeah.
Wow. Now this brings us to the final segment of our show, the top 2 tips. All our viewers keep waiting for this. So please, whatever you want to share with our audience, anything that you believe in, you live by, your top 2 tips for our viewers.
Yeah. One thing, we are all taught कि love your parents, love your partner, love your friends, love money. Guys,
Wow.
Oh,
have
what
a
advice.
relationship with money.
this is going to flash everywhere.
No one tells you कि they'll tell you how to maintain relationships with even your घर की cleaning person, but they'll not tell you how to have a relationship with money. It's very simple. You want to keep in touch, you want to do something in life, whatever.
हाँ.
You need money.
Right.
So don't keep a transactional thing. Love it. And trust me, it will love you back.
कैसे करते हैं ये?
हाँ.
Basically, first of all, आप अगर कुछ कर भी रहे हो, like you all mentioned, आप शिद्दत से आपने आज ये सेटअप किया, you spent money,
Correct.
right?
Yes.
You don't know where it's going to lead,
Correct.
but you've put your intent, you've put your investment into it.
Absolutely.
That is the relationship you need to have with money, because money also senses it. कि ये ना ऐसे she's not cutting corners. If I want something, मुझे कुछ करना है, उसके लिए अच्छा इसके लिए ये प्रॉपर ये चीज लगेगा, but it will be a little more expensive. I'll put that money.
Right.
I'm not going to cut corners. Eventually, सामने जो मेरे पास आएगा will also not cut corners.
They
for
will
me.
see it.
They will see it, and the way that's how the world also treats you. The minute,
Right.
for lack of a better word, अगर आप चिंदी बिहेव करोगे,
हाँ.
आपको चिंदी वापस मिलेगा.
हाँ, जो चिंदी दोगी चिंदी आएगा.
चिंदी दोगे चिंदी आएगा.
आएगा.
लेकिन आपको जब
Standard
I
दोगे,
have
standard
seen that
आएगा.
with me that when I do something, सामने वाला भी थोड़ा अदब से रहता है कि नहीं ये पता है ये ऐसी she is not that Sindhi कंजूस.
अच्छा.
Not that. Yeah, because I'm a Sindhi, so we are termed. Please, we are not कंजूस.
We are not
very
कंजूस.
entrepreneurial as a community. So that's something I will always say. I have a beautiful relationship with money. Don't वो बोलते ना सब कुछ पैसा ही है. अरे है.
सच है.
Are you
सच्चाई है.
delulu? सच में पैसा ही है. क्या है?
I agree.
You see? So that I would definitely say.
Tip number 1,
Love
please
money.
Love
Love
money.
money.
Have relationship with money,
Money.
and don't be delulu.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Not at all.
Not at all. Okay.
The second thing is whatever you're doing, do not presume कि मैंने ये किया है. You know.
सबने मिलके किया है, मिलके किया है.
Because यार क्रेडिट सबको चाहिए.
Absolutely.
आप जब खुद मैं बात करोगे ना तो
बकरी भी साउंड करोगे.
yeah, and you sound like you're very self-centered.
Correct.
Like today I'm sitting here, but there's a team that is there. They are
Yes.
still beeping on my WhatsApp. They are the ones who have given me the liberty कि मैं ये time निकाल के इधर आऊँ. So if
true.
I'm not going to give them their due diligence and credit, and I'm going to be a lone wolf, I'm there for a short while, bro. I'll be gone.
Sustainable नहीं है.
बिल्कुल ही नहीं है. And business or anything you want, any idea or any thought is only a win when it's sustainable.
Correct.
Correct. Long term तक आप जो कर
Teamwork
सकते हो.
always wins.
Teamwork is, oh my god, trust me, hero today, it's not hero time anymore. It is team. You go
correct.
watch a movie, आपको सिर्फ वो एक्टर नहीं देखना, आपको सारे कैरेक्टर एक्टर्स देखने. You want to be entertained completely.
Yes.
So that's the game.
Wow. So the second tip is teamwork.
Yes.
Give credit to your team.
Give credit to your team. They say that this is a teamwork. It's very important.
Honestly, this episode and this
Has-
conversation was deep, spicy and completely relatable. It is so honest from your heart. इतने बिंदास हमने सारे questions पूछे, उतने बिंदास दिल खोल के आपने answers भी दिए. So thank you for that, and it was amazing, right?
Yes.
So now today, because you guys have been such a awesome audience, आज हमारे पास एक surprise है जो आप खुद रश्मि से ही सुन लें.
So basically, as per हमें जो कई सारे डिमांड भी आते हैं मार्केट में, बहुत सारे लोगों को इस स्पेस में एज अ कंटेंट क्रिएटर आना है, बट उनको सबको एक सेंस ऑफ डायरेक्शन चाहिए, एंड दैट इज समथिंग दैट मी एंड माय टीम वी आर very very happy to assist you, wherein you can drop us a message on our Instagram page
On top 2.
or on top 2. You can reach out over here, and I think the 2 lucky winners can then we can talk, and there is a certain guidance and strategy that we'll be very happy to
Oh my
provide to
God,
you.
that's so generous.
You know,
Please
to
grab
tell
this.
you that the things that have to be, the basics that have to be kept in mind before you're starting this journey
Correct.
and putting your hard-earned money.
Money.
कि आप कैसे इसको स्मॉल से बिग लेके जा
How
सकते
can you
हो.
scale it?
How can you scale it? I think that guidance we'd be more than happy to provide.
Oh wow! I mean, कहाँ
Amazing.
मिलती है ऐसी free advice and from the people who actually made it big. So
Yeah.
guys, you'll have to, यहाँ से अगर आपके जो भी takeaways हैं आज के एपिसोड से, please write it down in the comment box below. And इसके 2 winners हम लोग we will
We'll
really
make sure
we'll
that
make
the
sure
best answers
answers
will get a consultation from Rashmi.
and access to
Yes.
Rashmi. So
Yes.
thank you very much.
Thank you.
It
Thank
was-
you so much. I had fun. And I had fun because it was not a typical podcast. but a conversation that we
Right.
were having.
It was.
So I'm very happy because of that. Thank you so much. And no one has introduced me the way they have introduced me over
This
here.
is
Wow.
the truth. This is the truth because nobody knows the kind of work that goes behind what you see on the TV, what you see on the chefs.
Correct,
You know,
yeah.
the work is tremendous. It's different. It's niche, as you said. It has a different genre of its own.
And we
they-
should do full justice to you.
And this is only a small episode, but we want to cover you more later on. This is
Yes.
just a journey. We'll come to your office. We'll barge you. We'll show you कि क्या हो रहा है,
Please
क्या
come,
नहीं हो रहा
please
है,
come
कैसे
to our
हो रहा है.
house.
Yes,
Yes,
और
you should come.
सबको पता होना चाहिए
For
कितनी
sure.
मेहनत लगती है एक एपिसोड या एक शेफ को लॉन्च करने में, ब्रांड दिलाने में, सीरीज दिलाने में क्या क्या होता है. एंड इट वाज अ फैंटास्टिक जर्नी. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर टुडे. थैंक यू
Thank
so
you.
much.
Thank you so
so
much.
much. Thank you so much. It was a lovely meeting you.
Yes.
Naja.
Thank you.
It
Thank
was
you.
really lovely. We had so much fun.
Yes.
Thank
Thank you for inviting me.